See this?
Mm-hmm.
This is a tape. We're
Yeah.
gonna tape it up real good. Tape it up real good. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
That might be why it's not working. So, tape it up real good. Make sure it goes real good. Okay?
Okay.
And we're gonna do this. And get this, because this is where it goes on. Okay?
Okay.
So I'm gonna twist that on. Make sure it twists real good.
Yeah. And see what happens.
And we're gonna see what happens, buddy. Let's see. Ready? Come over here. You can record it. Okay?
Yeah.
Right here. Come like that. Come like that. Okay, we can see if it's gonna work. Still not working good.
And the water is coming out this hole.
Yep.
And there's a flight in there. Yeah. Maybe it's not working. Cause the hole is coming from here.
Yeah.
It's probably still not. And there's a fly. I don't know what's happened. But there's not.
Let's try it again, baby boy. What? Okay, we got it fixed, Nana. Record it. Show Nana, we got it fixed. It's not leaking, and it's shooting water out, and it's not leaking, Nana.
Yeah.
Cool. Good job, baby. Good job.
Yeah. What you hang up there?
High five. Oh, the button. That button up there shoots it from here